So I've got a part I need to print. However, there's not a lot of contact surface between the print bed and the part itself, and it's pretty tall. So I wanted to use a brim. However, I'm also using support structure, and it looks like the support pushes the brim away from the print item, so it's not really giving us the help we need there to keep that part stuck to the bed. I couldn't find any settings in Prusa Slicer to address this issue, so I went and found a solution out there someone came up with to add a part modifier. It was on the Prusa message boards, and so we're going to create our own brim. So we're going to add a box there, hold down control, and you can drag the resize controls there in individual directions. And so we're going to make it just a little bit bigger than the footprint of the part. And then we're going to change the height of it to be a single layer height, which in this case is 0.2 millimeters. And so we're going to change that Z dimension to 0.2 and then unclick the lock so it doesn't update the Y and Z dimensions proportionally. And then we're going to click the icon there to drop it to the bed. And now we've created our own brim that's solid, and we're going to go ahead and slice it here so you can see how it renders. And we have this nice solid brim on the bottom now that'll keep the part adhered to the bed. This layer we've added can be removed pretty easily and then cleaned up using like a deburring tool. If you don't own one of those, they're pretty cheap to get on Amazon or eBay or even an X-Acto knife. So hope this helps.